Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today it's something slightly different. I'm going to show you how to make your logo background disappear using paint.net. Obviously this program's been out for quite a while, paint.net, but they're always making changes to it. It's a great free program if you just want to do a bit of logo editing. So let's have a look. So this is paint.net. There's loads of features you can do with this. So all I'm going to do is just go ahead and open a logo that I downloaded earlier. You might recognize this one from somewhere, I'm not sure where, but as you can see it's got these squares in the back, so that means that it is transparent. So when you go to use it over a video or something like that, you won't get a horrible white box around the logo. It will literally just be the logo. But what I'm going to show you is the tool that makes that happen. It is this one here. It's called the magic wand. So you see within the letters here for YouTube, how it's white. You can go ahead and click and it highlights. You see the lines around the edges? And then all you do is hit the delete and it yeets it out of there. Do that again. Yeet. Yeet. And yeet. And you've got clear text. Now there's a tip for saving this. So hit save. Okay. Oh no, hang on. You need to save it as a new. I forgot. Save it as a PN. Is it a PN? I think it's a PNG. Yeah, it's a PNG you need, and save. Okay, go. And then if we go to there you go. So now if you put that on a video, it will be fully transparent. Hope you did enjoy this very, very short tutorial. If you want to see more, there's loads of things that I can show you on paint.net, and there's plenty of other programs. If you do want to see more, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, and we will see you very soon. Bye bye.